Hello yogis, namaste. Welcome to your day 28 of a 30-day journey. So today's practice, we're going to do one of my teacher's favorite pranayamas. She used to call it prayer breath. This breathing technique is not because you're praying, it's because you put your hands in Angelic Mudra away from the chest. You'll see in a moment, but for today, if you want, you can have a blanket and a little pillow or two blankets just to get more comfortable. But you don't have to. If you don't have your props, that's okay. You can do it straight down on your mat. This pranayama is also a meditation in motion, and it will help you to sleep better. It will stimulate your lymph nodes of the armpits. It will help your lungs to expand into the chest cavity so they can work at its fullest capacity. And it will help your diaphragm to relax if it's tight. It has many benefits to it. If you're suffering from a low energy, depression, this one will help you as well. As the breath becomes very slow, you'll see it in a moment. So we're gonna lay down over our left shoulder, and you want to have maybe a pillow or a blanket under your head. You can have a blanket or a pillow in between your knees, and if you have your pillow under your head, make sure that when you turn your head towards the sky, your pillow is still there and you're not letting your head fall back. Bring your arms in front of your chest, palms touching. And as you inhale, open your chest, rotate your torso, follow the hand with the gaze if that feels okay. Feel the stretch. And as you exhale, follow the hand back to the front. Fingertips together so that you know your shoulders are stacked. And again, inhale, open, follow the hand. If you're familiar with breath retention, kumbhaka, you can practice that. However, if you have high pressure, heart condition, or you're pregnant, don't worry about it. Also, if you have high blood pressure, it's not recommended. So you do want to listen to your body. Holding the breath is only an option. It is not a goal. You can try a small pause, count 2 to 4, and then close. The next time you open, stay here and breathe. If your arm does not go all the way down to the floor, don't hyperextend your elbow and your shoulder. Instead, bend your elbow, rest your hand on your rib cage. You can relax your shoulder back so you still get the stretch across the front. Whatever works. We'll take one more breath here, full deep breath. And when you are ready, slowly and mindfully close your arms. Take a few moments here, breathe. And of course, what we do on one side, we repeat on the other side. Take your time and lay over your right shoulder. And when you're ready, bring your arms in front of your chest, palms touching. Inhale, open, rotate your torso, follow the hand. Maybe hold the breath, you don't have to. And exhale, close. The next time you inhale, stay here and breathe. On your next exhalation, close your arms, relax and observe. When you are ready, help yourself up and meet me on your comfortable seated position. You can use your top hand to help yourself up. Hands together at the center of the heart, shoulders away from the ears. We're going to seal our practice with our metta mantra. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live in peace. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live in peace. May all be happy. May all be healthy. May all be safe. May all live in peace. Inhale through your nostrils, expand. And through your nostrils, exhale. Inhale to Om. Tuck your chin onto your chest. Open your eyes. Bring your gaze forward. Shower yourself with your own good vibes. And remember to shake off whatever stresses, pains that you don't need anymore. Thank you so much, yogis. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. If you are ready to get serious about your yoga practice, remember to check out my online yoga studio, link in the description. Also, press the like button before you go, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button so you can get notifications whenever I upload new content. Thank you so much for being part of this mystical community. Namaste.